Hi everyone, my name is Melanie, Math Content Specialist here at Zinkers. Let's take a look at another digital SAT question and how we can use Desmos to help us solve it. This question says, if A equals C plus D, which of the following is equivalent to the expression x squared minus c squared minus 2cd minus d squared? Lots of variables floating around here. Don't let that scare you. Let's take a second to figure out what this question is actually asking us for. The reason Desmos is going to be so helpful here is because we're being asked for an equivalent expression, meaning whatever expression is equivalent to this one here in the question, x squared minus c squared minus 2cd minus d squared, will have the same picture, the same image on Desmos as whichever one of these is the correct answer. So I don't need to do any kind of scratch work before I jump into Desmos. So let's just start. I'm going to start by plugging in this first condition, which is A equals C plus D. Desmos will prompt you to add the sliders. Make sure you do that. All these sliders are doing here is allowing us to play with and manipulate the values of C and D. So we can just leave them as one. You can mess around with them if you want. It's not going to affect our answer to this question. So we can just leave them as is. I'm now going to plug in this second expression, or this x squared minus c squared minus 2cd minus d squared. And I'm going to put it in terms of y, just to kind of make it look like an equation here. And again, just typing it in exactly how I see it, making sure not to make any silly mistakes along the way. 2cd minus d squared. And here you can see this purple parabola we have a picture of here. So now, in order to match it with one of our answer choices, I'm just going to plug in them in order as I see them here and see which picture matches up. So I can type in y equals a here is x plus a squared. And I can see this black one does not, in fact, line up with the purple one. We know that's not the right answer. Let's try b here. Y equals x minus a squared. Okay, not quite. We shifted over to the right a little bit, so still not going to be true. So we know B isn't going to be our answer. Let's try C. Y equals x plus a, x minus a. And look at that. We do have, in fact, that C is going to be equivalent to our given expression in the question. And I can kind of toggle this blue graph on and off to see that it does, in fact, line up with our the one I inputted up here. And just to make sure, let me show you here that D is not going to work. X squared minus ax minus a squared. We can see that green parabola does not match up with our purple one. So again, all I did was just plug in the given information of the question and then match each one of my answer choices to the picture that Desmos gave me. Is there another question that you want to see? Make sure to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like and follow our channel for more digital SAT content.